सो इस नवरात्रि सीजन के लिए अगर आपको बहुत सुंदर तैयार होना है देन दिस इज द प्लेस टू बी. चेक दिस आउट, अ ब्यूटीफुल चनिया चोली, very pretty dupatta, blouse. This is the place where you will find beautiful options for chanyas, cholis and dupattas, and साथ ही साथ they have an entire range of festive suits as well. सारे unstitched materials है. This is the brand World of Kaneer at Antara Exhibition Gallery for just 2 days. आज और कल 11 से 8 is the timing. Definitely a must visit exhibition. Come down here. Check caption for all the details. और अब collection जरूर देखना. देखने के लिए swipe left. Then starting off with the blouses section, check this out, very pretty long length made with beautiful work on the back. Then they have options like this as well, again with beautiful work on the back. Something like this. Some very minimal yet elegant pieces. And if you want something full backless and spaghettis options like this. Not just this, they have an entire range of blouses as you can see. Sleeveless mein chahiye, spaghettis mein chahiye, long sleeves, or if you want something in long length, they have all kinds of options for blouses. So starting off with the vintage dupattas ka section, check this out. They have a lot of options. Something in pink if you want with very beautiful handwork in gold. Then something like this. Check this out. They have a beautiful range of dupattas in orange if you want. These are all very beautiful and vintage pieces. And something like this. Not just this, they have a lot of options here. As you can see, this is the entire range of dupattas, so definitely you can come down too. So these are the options for chinon chanias. Check this out in white if you like. Very pretty. Again 16 to 17 meter का घेर आपको मिल जाएगा. Check this one out. Beautiful options, fully plain पर उसका border gives the entire look. And they have lot more options here as you can see. If you want something in peach, pink, rani color. Something like this. They have options in green, orange, purple, blue, all kinds of colors. And साथ ही साथ check this one out. Full piece like this. पूरा set, a very pretty piece. Something like this if you want. Beautiful. In this also they have a lot of options. Then beautiful options for chanyas like these. Check this out. These are all in cotton. And इसका घेर भी काफी अच्छा है. Check this out. Very pretty. They have a lot of options in colors. Something in earthy tones if you like. 16 to 17 meter का घेर है. Beautiful. Check this one out. Something in green if you want. Check this one out. A very pretty piece. I like this one. And then something like this. Check this out. So these are all the options for cotton chanias. Now if you want some options in budget, then these are the options. ये सारे pieces जो है दुपट्टा के 700 से 1000 की range में you'll find. Check this out. All in different colors. Very lightweight, very comfortable. Minimal work on it. So if you have a low budget, then they have options for these kind of dupattas. अब राखी एंड दिवाली सीजन इज अप्रोचिंग वेरी सून, तो उसके लिए अगर आपको फेस्टिव सूट्स का कलेक्शन चाहिए देन दिस इज द प्लेस टू बी. चेक दिस आउट. ये पूरा मरोड़ी वर्क, खाट वर्क, समथिंग लाइक दिस. A lot of options you will find, all in different colors. Something in subtle if you like. They have options in light colors as well. So these are all the options for unstitched dress materials, perfect for the festive season. And also you can create a look like this. Check this out. Very pretty. This is an entire skirt. And then something like this. Beautiful. And also they have very pretty options. पूरा इसके साथ पैंट आएगा which is in रंग काट. A amazing. So you can style all these outfits for the festivities.